In the late 19th century, Martin Keyes spotted workers at a New York veneer plant eating their lunches off of thin pieces of maple. Well, by 1904, he had invented a machine that pressed wood pulp into a plate form, and the paper plate was born. So Adam's going to tell us exactly why I'm wearing this fetching outfit and talk a little bit about disposable plates.
You are going to be so prepared when the storm rolls through the kitchen, Bridget.
I can feel it in my bones. There's a storm brewing.
There's a storm brewing. We have all been there. A subpar disposable plate is going to put a big crimp in your picnic style. That's why we did this testing. We have 8 different paper plates here. They were all about 10 inches or as close to that size as the manufacturer offered. The price range was 11 cents per plate at the low to 54 cents per plate at the high. And they were made of different materials, including paperboard with various grease and liquid resistant coatings, post-consumer recycled paper, polystyrene, plastic polymer mineral blends, and dried sugarcane pulp called bagasse.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay, now to test these disposable plates, the testers loaded them up with 2 pounds of food. There was fried chicken, there was piping hot baked beans, coleslaw, and potato salad. And then they went for a little walk around the test kitchen. They had silverware, so they were sort of poking and prodding at the food every now and then to simulate cutting. And they were evaluating the plates based on their food containment, their strength, their durability, and their resistance to liquid, to grease. For the grease resistance, they actually took cold pizza, which they reheated in a microwave on the paper plates to see how stained they got.
That's the dorm test.
That's the dorm test, exactly. Now, they measured the thickness of these paper plates. It ranged from a low of about 0.33 millimeters to a high of 2.14 millimeters. But you know, some of the thicker plates were the polystyrene ones that are that plastic that can be either flexible or hard. And those didn't do a great job either in cut resistance or the dorm test with reheating the pizzas. So really what matters more than the thickness of the plate is the material of the plate. So Bridget, if you would, pick up that plate on the end with all the food on it.
All right. Yeah, no, it's very sturdy. A little bit of bending, but really nothing to be alarmed about.
That one was the bagasse. That's the dried sugarcane pulp. It did very well. Now why don't you pick up that other one that is coated paperboard, and I'm going to step back. You got a problem brewing.
So how are you doing today? Oh, whoops.
That one didn't do nearly as well, obviously.
I'm just glad it fell that way.
You know, about half of these had that kind of sagging problem. Food went tumbling down to the floor. So in the end, it was that dried sugarcane pulp, the bagasse, that was the winning plate. That's this guy right here, the hefty, super strong paper plates. It was $2.99 for a package of 16. That works out to about 19 cents per plate.
Not the most expensive then.
Yep, nice wide area for your food, strong, sturdy, cut resistant, grease resistant. It's the paper plate of choice.
Well, there you go. If you don't want to pass out ponchos to your guests at the next cookout, well then pick up a pack of our winning plates. It's the hefty, super strong paper plates. The price is $2.99 for 16 plates. You lucked out, I didn't get messy.
You lucked out.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.